Hi. So in this video we will look about what is nested if, and we will use the nested if, and with the help of that we will be going to solve one problem. So before that I have to create the class, right? So now I will be going to create the class. As you can see that in the left pane I have the new class button. I will click on it and now it is giving me a pop-up. As usual, we will use the Pascal notation, that is first letter will be capital and we will write the name of the class. Right now we are doing nested if, so I am making the name of the class as, let's say, nested if class. Okay, you can name it anything, I am just naming it randomly nested if class. Now I press OK. Now you can see that our class is created. Now let's go inside the class by double clicking it and just delete this entire code. Now as you can see that I have deleted the code. Now we will start from scratch, right? I am writing here class nested if class. Okay, and now I will give the scope. So I will start my this curly bracket and I will close it there and I will give some scope. I can also use this curly bracket. Now our question is that do this number 23 is in the series, or we can say in the range of the numbers 1 to 20. Now this is the question. Do this number 23 is in the range of the numbers 1 to 20? And the answer is no, it's not in the range, because 23 is greater than 20. So it is not coming in the range. So now what is the number that comes inside the range of 1 to 20? It is like from 2 to 19, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on till 19. These are the numbers inside the range of 1 to 20. Now none of the numbers before 1, like 0, minus 1, minus 2, they are also not in the range. And the number after 2, like so on, they are also in the range. So this type of challenge, now here below this number is equals to 2, what I will do is I will use the if statement, conditional statement, and here we will be going to specify the condition. My first condition will be that number is greater than 1. Why 1? Because we will start the range between 1 to 20. So what are the number? Now you think what I have written. I have written there number is greater than 1. So what is that? Number is greater than 1. Well, it means that any number which is greater than 1. So do this equation which is number equal to 2. Do this assignment that we did here, number equals to 2 semicolon. Do this is valid? Yes, it is valid. Why? Because 2 is greater than 1. So this if is true. Now inside this first if we will make one more if, and here we will give the another condition, and here we will say that if the number is lesser than 20. Now you think about it, what will happen? So when this loop will true, the first one, not loop actually, when this conditional statement, if conditional statement is true, when this first conditional statement is true, when the number is greater than 1. So when the number is greater than 1, so we are inside the if, right? Now we are here actually. Now we have to go inside the second if. So when we can go inside the second if? We can go inside the second if when the number is greater than 20 and when the number is greater than 1 and lesser. What is that number? When the number is less than 18. time your if statement will false. Now right now I am writing here system.out.println, and I am writing here the statement which is the number is between range from 1 to 20. Okay. Now if this is false, for example, let's say the number is greater than 1, but it is also greater than 21 or 22. At that condition, our statement will be wrong. Okay. So for that purpose, for that condition, our number is not in this range, but it is outside. We can write here as is in between the range which is 1 to 20. Let me clear everything and let me run it again so that you can have a clear idea. Now you can see that the statement we are getting is the number is in between the range from 1 to 20, because the number is 2, and we can know that 2 is between the range from 1 to 20. All the numbers are there, so 2 comes between that, right? So let's now change the number. Now make it, let's say instead of 2 I'm making it 21. Let's compile it and close it, and we know that 21 is not in the range, because only the number which are in the range are 2, 3, 4, 2 till 19. Just run it. Now you can see the second message that the number is not between the range. You can see this not, it is coming because we have put the number which is 21. Now we can do one thing more. Now I'm opening this and let's say I'm writing here 20. What do you think? You can give me answer in comment section. So if the number is 20, do this. If will print or else will print. You tell me. Let's compile it and now I will close it. I think the second not will be printed. I will tell you why not will be printed. You can see it is not is printing. Why not is printing? Because this condition is valid till the number 19. Because we have also discussed earlier also that 20 is not less than 20. It is equal than 20, but it is not less than 20. Now this I have put the equal sign. I did just a small change. Now tell me if I will put 20, it will come there or not. Yes, of course you are correct, it will come. I will do combine, I will close it, and here I will put 20. Okay, and now you can see that the number is in the number is in the range. If statements, the conditional statements. So now you can see that there are two statements. The one is outer is if, and the other one is the inner if. So why this is known as nested if? Because this if is containing this if. This is the outside if, and this is the inside if. So when this if statement is consisting of two if, so that is the reason why it is known as the nested if. Like two if, like one if is inside the second if. This is known as inner if, and this is known as the outer if. So that was all about the program. Thank